mai I pōtiki rua ki te toka a Taiao. Rere iho ki ngā tukemata o Kahungunu. Ngā reo irirangi o te Tairawhiti.
Mōrene te whānau, ngā mihi matakui kia koutou katoa, nau mai hoki mai ki tā tātou hōtaka kei konei māo ko Rāhia tumutumu kei te marae rangatira nei o Turanga Nui a Kiwa arā ko te poho o Rāwiri. Now, for a good kick in the morning, there's no better drink than a sip of a hot Kapu Tairawhiti.
I love that one, the kickstart that we all need. Brought to you by Turanga FM, Radio Ngāti Pro and Radio Kahungunu.
Now, speaking about kicking, there have been some great kickers from Te Tairawhiti.
From former Poverty Bay and East Coast player Kahu Tamatia to All Whites player Winton Rufer to King of the Ring champion Sammy Parks. And we've had some notable kickers come out of our region.
E me ana koe Rāhia. Now, another great kicker who is out of Omahu is Mr. Tom Kupa.
Radio Kahungunu's Rāhina Huata caught up with the 7th degree black belt Tom Kupa and his gym, International Martial Arts in Hastings. That story is coming up very soon. But first, anei, ngā taipito poto o te wā.
Mā koe kick it off. Mōrena e heka mā ki te Tairawhiti, kua toa te kaiwaiata noko nei ake a Amy Maynard I te taitara nui whakaharahara ki te pōtohu Gold Guitar o Aotearoa. Ara ngā New Zealand Gold Guitar Awards I whānau mai tupu mai hoki a Maynard I konei I Turanga Nui a Kiwa, a hei tāna I whānau mai kia tū hei kaiwaiata koe nei ngā tohu nui whakaharahara I te country music ki Aotearoa nei.
Ki Kahungunu I nāi ka tū te hui Kahungunu Fish Hook Summit hei te rua te kauma ono o tēnei marama mai te iwa ki te rima karaka ki te Napier Conference and Event Centre. Kua tūwhira ngā rehita I nāi, mō ngā mema rehita o Kahungunu he kore utu mo te urunga, a ruarau rima te kautāra mō ngā mātā waka o te rohe. Whakapā atu ki kahungunu.iwi.nz mo te roanga atu o ngā kōrero. Aka atu, koe rā ngā taipitopito I tēnei wā.
Kyoshi Tom Kupa is the chief instructor and co-owner of Kupa International Martial Arts with over 50 years of experience.
He is a 7th degree black belt in Kyokushin Karate and a 1st degree black belt in Gosuku-ryu Karate.
He is also a kickboxing master and was inducted in 2009 into the New Zealand Martial Arts Hall of Fame.
Radio Kahungunu's Rāhina Huata spoke to Tom at his gym.
Kia ora mato, Tom.
Kia ora.
It's really awesome to be here in your whare. If you could please just introduce yourself, who you are and where you're from.
Kia ora. Thomas Gilbert Cooper and I'm from Omahu. I went to Hatapaura. When I ended there, I was senior sprint champion. First 10, first 11.
Wow, lots of sports.
Yeah, love sports.
Yeah.
And sports got you out of the kura on the weekends. Yeah.
Oh, awesome. How did you get into karate?
Karate. I had a friend, Derek Brooks. He taught me while I was at school, and he says, "Okay, there's 3 exercises you need, brother." I said, "What are those?" Press ups, sit ups, and squats. Well, that fella could do 100 press ups on this arm, and flick over to this arm, do another 100 on that arm, and go to 2 and do another 100. So he says, once you can do that, bro, you're all good. So that's how that was my initial part of it, and the big part of it was watching Bruce Lee. I used to go back to Palmerston North early, climb into the picture theatre, and watch Enter the Dragon, The Way of the Dragon. So that was it.
Love it. I love that passion. What are some of the success stories that you've had from alumni of your classes?
Oh, okay. I got this one young fella. He was brought to me for a little bit of release, a little bit of energy because he had ADHD. He couldn't read or write because he couldn't sit still for 5 minutes. And then he learned how to do a lot of things. The biggest thing was giving him that discipline. Because if he didn't have that discipline, then he wouldn't be able to sit still and start setting goals because he didn't have that attention span in class and he didn't stay in class. He used to do the old MDO, married day off, every day.
Every day.
Every day. Hey, so getting him to school and getting him to stay was, it was a task and a half. But once I got him to read, he's now a security officer in Wellington. So, I've run into a lot of ex-students. It's people tapping me on the shoulders going, "Oh, thank you."
That's amazing. Amazing success stories. What are some of the benefits of karate for our rangatahi and adults as well?
Confidence, fitness. So every little bit of fitness that you do puts health in the bank, And it's teaching them that goals, to set goals.
My name's Philip. I'm a senpai here, which means I'm an assistant instructor. I teach mainly the Little Warriors, which is children from the age of 3 through to about 9. The atmosphere here is very welcoming. It's full of encouragement. We're never going to put someone down for trying their best, and that's all that we ask them to do, is just give it a go.
Hi, I'm Yuta and I'm from Japan. I've been here for nearly 5 years.
How would you describe the atmosphere here?
It's very welcoming. Everyone is like a whānau. If you're interested, just give it a try. This dojo is an anti-bullying area, so you're safe to come in and nobody's going to bully you. No one will laugh at you. And it's lots of fun.
If you have any advice to any rangatahi or adults who would love to start their karate journey, what would you give them?
Oh, come and try it. We're at 112 Market Street North. The only way you can see if you're going to like it, come and try it.
Weti koe te matua. Now, if you want to start a free trial with Matua Tom, go to kima.co.nz for more information.
Thank you for joining us today. We'll be back again next weekend for more Kapu Tairawhiti. But for now,
E te ti, e te tā, mai te marae o te poho rāwari.
hei kona.